Hello from Slovenia again. I will do another split cup pour. I'm into split cup pours lately. I don't know, I have this feeling to do a split cup pours. And of course I'm using a split cup from Paint Pour Store again. You can find the link into the description and discount code. If you want to buy some, they have amazing split cups and quite a lot of different things. So I have 12 by 12 inch canvas here, and I will layer my paints a little differently. I will pour some paints. I will pour Phthalo Prussian in this one, and then I will combine Manganese blue and Iridescent green yellow, and then I will pour some sky blue here, and here I will combine this little piggy Latte and burnt sienna by Amsterdam. Here I will pour just Arteza deep brown, pearl deep brown, and here I will do Phthalo turquoise by Amsterdam and Iridescent blue green. So I want to see if this will make any difference, if in some chambers are just one plain color and in some are, you know, two or more colors. So I will speed up this process for you, just layering my paints into the chambers. So my cup is layered, and I will not go around, I will go like this, and I will start kind of in the middle anyway, and then I will travel. I'm not quite sure if I like this, but we will see. I just think that I just have to bring it a little towards somewhere. Okay, I have a little less paint on this side, so I will pour just this white here just to wet down this part a little bit, because I went a little on one side, but it's okay. Just scrape this white out, just add a little here. Okay. So let's start tilting this baby. Not over the edge yet. Oop. I have deep edged canvas, so I will have to let paint flow off. Otherwise I will not cover my sides. Okie doke, I'm done. Let me take you for a close-up. Just want to show the sides real quick, because they are just gorgeous. And now to the painting. Love it. It's a beautiful landscape kind of painting. My hands are still shaking a little bit. Love, love, love it. I love the lines. I love the details of this kind of branch there. This blue. This part, it is a little weird for me, but in the whole, I love it. I think it's a beautiful abstract landscape painting. So this will be it from me today. Tomorrow it will be color reveal by Fluid Art CO, these little piggy pigments. So don't forget to check out what this means and what will follow tomorrow. Check on my channel. See you on the next one. Bye.